Welcome to Twinin'It. I'm your host, Craig Noble, documentary filmmaker and moto enthusiast. And this is the show about everything you can do to and with the Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sports. And today we're going to be installing the Honda OEM center stand for the bike. Alright, here we go. We got the center stand and the hardware. Let's get the spring plate. We have one spring, two springs. We have some rubber stoppers for the stand. And lastly, we have one washer and one circlip. Pretty straightforward. We'll see how it goes. Alright, according to the instructions that I downloaded off the interweb, these are all the things that we're going to need to install the center stand. Now this center stand's pretty heavy duty piece of kit and, should probably come standard with the Adventure Sports model, but had to buy that. We've got some grease for the moving parts for the stand. We have the spring puller for the springs to get those into place, which would probably be the hardest part about this install. We have the soapy water for the rubber stoppers to get them on the stand. And we have the circlip pliers to get the circlip into place. Alright, these stoppers on. Pretty easy. Let's start greasing up the parts here. On the inside here. And a little back here. Give this piece some love here. And for the stand, bit in here. A little bit in here. And finally, spring plate a little bit. The stand needs to be slid from this side over to that side. Left side of the stand in first. Whew. So easy. Right, well, the springs attach like so, in opposite directions, and hopefully they'll work together and not cause too many problems. And the spring plate slides in like so. Before I start reefing on those springs, I want to make sure the bike is nice and secure. Last thing you want is a 550-pound bike falling on you during an install. Okay, washer on. And circlip on. Round side facing in. Like butter. Nice smooth action right there. Alright, spring number one. One down. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes! Yeah, success, bruh. Another on. Macintosh. Ow. Okay, well, that kind of sucked, but it's a moment of truth. Pretty good, pretty solid. A little bit dirty, but she's in there. Well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another episode of Twinin'It.